Hello, how do you do your swing trading daily chart analysis of upward large cap stocks if you are using long uptrend line swing trading strategy? You open your watch list, and here we have our watch list. We are going to analyze 3 stocks from the list, and the first one to analyze is FI. So FI, today is March 10, 2025, and we are analyzing FI after the market closed on Friday, March 7, 2025. So on Friday, the price dropped for FI. That's why the closing price was colored in red. The red price bar just means the price in the evening was lower than the price in the morning when the market opened. And a green bar means the price in the evening at the closing of the market was higher than the price in the morning when the market opened. And the y-axis is the price from 0 up, and you have the date on the x-axis. So the price drop for FI. But by analyzing and using long uptrend line swing trading strategy, we are comparing where the price is to where we like to buy it next. And we have our uptrend lines that we trace, and when the price pulls back to either one of those lines, we'll be able to buy some shares. So we traded in 2024. That's why we have those arrows there. The last time we bought it, the price dropped, and we stayed in it for some months before we sold it in February. When I put my mouse there, the date is showing up. And when I put my mouse here, it showed the date we bought it, which was November. But it's far from the trend line we like to buy it next. Therefore, we are not going to do anything to it. We are just going to keep observing it. At this point, we can send the trend line that we like to buy at. The second one we are going to analyze is FICO. So FICO, Friday, the price went up. That's why we have a green bar. And we bought FICO there, and the price fell. So we are waiting on it for that to go back for us to sell it. But in the meantime, it could well be coming down to this trend line. And we have 2 uptrend lines that we trade so that we can buy at, but it's most likely to use this one than to use this one. But we'll just keep observing it. The last one on the list I will analyze is GD. GD, we purchased it this year, and Friday the price went up. So we purchased it at this trend line, and I don't know if this is a place we purchased it before or not. I don't think so, but I had to check. But anyway, we purchased it around this trend line, but it was not enough. It pulled back, went up a little bit, pulled back again, and now it start going up. So, but yes, and it's still close to this trend line here. So this concludes how you can analyze your chart in relation to the strategy you are using to swing trade. we are with long up to long swing trading strategy. We are comparing where the price is to where we like to buy. So you first handpick your stocks for your watch list, and you analyze them on a daily basis, comparing, reviewing how they performed during the day when the market was open. You compare, you look at how they perform, and you compare where the price is to where you want to buy. And once you buy, you'll compare where you bought it, where the price is, to where you want to exit. And in this instance, it's going to be the new high. For upward stocks, especially upward large cap stocks, they do reach new high frequently. Therefore, a new high could be an exit point as well, or you can set a certain percentage to be when you reach that return, you can sell and exit. It's all about locking in some profits, not necessarily locking in all the profit that is there to lock in that trade, but locking some profit and just exit the trade and wait for that to fall back to the trend line you like to buy it next for you to buy again. And we are using daily chart, maximum daily chart, or you can use 1 year daily chart if you can see all your trend lines. And those trend lines are also called support line as well. Let's extend this line, and as the price is moving, you can just continue extending your trend lines, at least the one that you target to be your entry point. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and ninasoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money, just that small. Even if that's one share that you purchase with long up to long swing trading strategy, you can still accumulate some profit in it. Even if that's $1 profit per trade, that's still a profit. It just allows you to keep practicing the strategy you are using to customize it to your liking while you are getting comfortable with the stock market, investing and swing trading. It could be $300 per trade. It could be $100 per trade if $100 is enough to meet the requirement of the brokerage firm for you to open a brokerage account or a Roth IRA. And if the $100 is enough to buy one share of the stocks you are thinking about buying. Some of them can be more than $100. Some of them are less than $100. Walmart is one of those. CMG is one of those as well. If you are looking for ideas on how to pick stocks to create your watch list, will you please check the playlist in the video description. We have playlists where we record and catalog videos related to how you can create your own watch list, and we have other swing trading related videos in the other playlists as well. And those are few videos within this playlist. Not all of them are published yet, and we have series on how you can create your own watch list, and we have another series that we start recording that will follow, so that when you come across a stock, regardless of what people are saying, whether it is good to trade or not, you can just put it through your filters to see if it is a good stock for you to add to your watch list. Thank you so much for your time.